differences between JDK, JRE and JVM. JDK stands for Java Development Kit, JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine and JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Now let us look into the differences between all these three with the help of a diagram. Let us take a look at this particular diagram. You can see that JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine and JVM plus set of libraries plus other files together form the JRE and JRE plus the development tools together form the JDK. So you can understand that JDK is the superset of JRE over here and we'll see what is JVM in detail now. Java Virtual Machine is a virtual machine that enables a computer to run Java programs. Okay, so I'll try to put it in a simpler form for you. The purpose of the JVM is to provide runtime environment in which the Java bytecode can be executed. Why JVM is a virtual machine? JVM is a virtual machine because unlike your computers, JVM does not have a physical box and then the motherboard and chips inside. It is just a software program that resides inside the memory. So that is why we call it as virtual machine, and also we say that JVM does not physically exist. And what are the tasks that JVM performs? JVM loads the code, verifies the code and executes the code. JVM is platform dependent. That is, for each software and hardware we have different JVM configurations. So it means that when trying to download JVM for your particular machine, you will be given a list of JVMs corresponding to the two different operating systems. Say you want to run the bytecode on Windows operating system. So you need to download Windows specific JVM. If you want to run it on Mac OS, then you need a JVM which is specific to Mac OS. So that is the reason JVM is platform dependent. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. So JRE comprises of JVM plus set of library files plus other files. So what are the library files? The library files are like rt.jar, runtime.jar, then jce.jar, jsse.jar, etc. And other files are Java packages, classes, which are like util, math, lang, awt, etc. What is the purpose of the JRE? The purpose of the JRE is to run code. So to run any Java code, the minimum thing that you require is JRE. JRE is used to just run the code. Especially JRE is installed on the client machine wherein they don't write programs, they just execute the code or run the code. So JRE is used only to run the code. To write the program, JRE is not enough. Okay, so I hope everybody understood what is JRE. JRE is used only to run the code. And JRE is the implementation of a JVM. JRE physically exists. That means you can see this in your drives, in your program files, you can physically see JRE there, and is platform dependent. JRE is platform dependent. These set of library files will be used by JVM during runtime. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is a full-featured software development kit. JDK comprises of JRE plus development tools. The development tools are compiler Java C, Java Application Launcher which is Java, and Applet Viewer, Debugger, Java Doc, etc. The purpose of the JDK is to run plus programming. So if you are a student, if you want to write and test your code, then you need JDK to be installed in your system. JDK physically exists and is platform dependent. So these are all the differences between JVM, JRE and JDK, my friends. Hope this video is helpful to you. Stay home, stay safe, happy learning. Bye.